ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. You simply type your question or task, and it responds with helpful, human-like answers. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7, free and easy to use. How to use ChatGPT in daily life, writing and communication. ChatGPT can draft emails, messages, social posts, or even creative stories for you. Planning and productivity. Ask it to create to-do lists, daily schedules, or even meal plans to stay organized. Learning and homework. Whether you're stuck on math, need a quick explanation, or want to learn a new topic, ChatGPT explains it in simple language. Shopping and cooking. It can suggest recipes, create shopping lists, or recommend the best products. How to use ChatGPT for career and work resumes and cover letters. ChatGPT helps you write or improve your resume and cover letter to stand out. Interview preparation. Practice common questions and get advice on how to answer confidently. Work documents, drafts reports, presentations, emails, and meeting notes to save time. Learning new skills. If you want to learn coding, business skills, or improve your writing, ChatGPT can guide you step by step. Brainstorming and creativity. Great for coming up with marketing ideas, solving problems, or writing content. Time management. Helps you prioritize tasks and stay productive throughout the day. Why use ChatGPT? It saves time, improves your writing and thinking, reduces stress by handling repetitive tasks, and helps you focus on what's important, all while being available anytime on your phone or computer. So whether you're a student, a job seeker, or a busy professional, ChatGPT is a powerful, free tool you can use every day. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and productivity tips. Thanks for watching. There's link in description of ChatGPT.